Hello, welcome to the barley soup cooking process. First is preparation time is 5 minutes, cooking time 50 minutes, total 55 minutes. So ingredients will be barley, 2 onions, 4 pockets, potatoes, half teaspoon of thyme, 1 dessertspoon of finely chopped parsley, 3 and half pinch of water, half pint of milk and butter. So cooking process is first we have to wash and pick the barley. Next we have to chop the onions and slice the potatoes. Next we have to boil the whole gently for 4 hours with the water and adding the butter, thyme, pepper and salt to taste. When the barley becomes soft, then we have to add the milk and parsley. And again we have to boil the soup up and serve it hot. So very easy step. First pick and wash the parsley using the chopped onions and by slicing the potatoes. Then we have to boil the whole for 4 hours with the water by adding butter, thyme, pepper and salt according to taste. When the barley becomes soft, we have to add the milk and parsley and again boil the soup up and serve it hot. So if we I'll go to the nutritional information. So if we take 2 cups of this soup, so we will get the calories as 277.37 kilocalorie, carbohydrate 52.82 gram, protein 7.43 gram, fat 5.9 gram, sodium 1180.28 milligram, fiber 9.1 gram. So yeah, this is all for this barley soup cooking process. Please try this video, try this soup and enjoy. Thank you.